Hello, you're welcome to this training, and in this training I'll be unlocking the secrets to earning a consistent 100k to 300k monthly with affiliate marketing, and you can even do more than this. I'll be showing you all of this from scratch and how you can leverage on this simple business model to change your financial status. Today in this short video training, we are going to delve deep into the world of affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how you can make a life-changing income by simply promoting other people's products. Just simple as that. So as you can see, this life has been changed through this simple business model. There are many people like this, but I just say let me just show you these two in order not to waste your time in this video training. As you can see, the first person here won a car through the affiliate marketing business model, and as you can see by the right, the second person won a Redmi 10 Pro phone. All he did was to promote digital products, and he earned income, and he was also rewarded with a Redmi smartphone. So all of this is possible with affiliate marketing, and you too can achieve this if you just sit and watch this video till the very end. So let's get very much started. So now you might be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is a simple business model where you promote someone else's products and you receive a commission for each sale that you make. Just simple as that, and we all do affiliate marketing every day. So let me break it down to you. Think of it as being a middleman business between the customer and the product owner. So you standing as a middleman between the customer and the business owner. So if you see this image right here, this is an illustration of the business model called affiliate marketing. So as you can see right here, the first person called the publisher is an affiliate. What he did is to get a product from the business, which is probably a product from a product owner, and he recommended this product to the customer. If you look at the cycle here, he promotes this product to the customer purchases this product, and the business owner pays him a commission. Very simple. Everybody's happy. The customer gets the product, you an affiliate get your commission, the business owner gets a sale. Very sweet. So this is a simple method of how affiliate marketing works, and we all do this every day. Using a real life example, it's just like when you recommend a new smartphone to your friend and he goes to a store to get it. The only difference there is that you do not get a commission, but if you have a connection with that store, when your friend buys that phone from that store, definitely you will get a commission. So this is just a simple way of how the affiliate marketing business model works. So going further, these are popular brands I believe you know, but you do not really understand their business model. The first one here is Uber. As we all know, Uber operates remotely. All you just have to do is to log into their app on your smartphone and you request for a driver to come and take you to wherever you are going. What happens there is that Uber as a company gets a commission when you order for a cab. You understand? So simple as that. The second one here is Amazon. Very popular, and the CEO used to be one of the world's richest men. He owns no products. Amazon owns no products, but they are the highest sellers of various products. All you just have to do is to log into the Amazon website, request for this product, and they contact the product vendor and they deliver this product to you, and everybody is happy. You understand? So simple as that. This is exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. So now you might be asking, how can you start affiliate marketing? Because this is what is on the mind of a lot of people. Most people have heard about it, but how to start is now a problem. So let me break it down to you. The simplest and fastest way to start affiliate marketing is by selling high-value digital products online. So you might be asking, what is a digital product? A digital product is any product you sell online that doesn't have a physical form or substance. And these are products that are accessed on the internet, such as music, courses, ebooks, and a whole lot of them. All these things, you cannot really touch them, but they have an impact on human life. So that is what you will be doing as an affiliate. You don't have to sell physical products like Amazon, Konga, and all of that. You just sell digital products online and you make money. So these are the 4 steps of how you can make money with affiliate marketing. The first one here, as you can see, is choose a niche that you're passionate about, a niche that you believe can make you money. So let's use an example of somebody who is interested in weight loss. You understand? You want to teach people how to lose weight. You can go and get a product from a coach who teaches people how to lose weight, and when you recommend this product to people who are interested, when they buy this product from you, you earn a commission. That is because this person has given you the opportunity to make money from promoting their weight loss product. And what is happening here? You are giving value. These people are learning how to lose weight. You are making money, and the product vendor is also making money. So now the second aspect is that you need to find an affiliate program in that niche. So when we talk about affiliate program, it's just like the product vendor course I'm talking about now. He can give you access to his program, so that when you promote it out there, people buy it, you earn your commission. So the second aspect is find an affiliate program that is in that your niche that you can promote. Thirdly, sign up for the affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Very important. Your unique affiliate link is what makes it easy for your sales to be recorded, because that is the link that people have to follow to buy from you, and you as an affiliate to gain commission when the sales transaction occurs. You understand? Without your affiliate link, it's hard for you to make money as an affiliate, except you are doing a manual kind of affiliate marketing, which is hard. So you need to sign up for the affiliate program and get your affiliate link, which is the third aspect. Then the fourth one, which is important and drives the sales, is for you to start promoting the product to your audience through various promotional channels. You understand? And this is where it gets hard for a lot of people in this business model, because they be like, who am I going to promote this product to? How do I do this? This is where I'm going to help you in this video. You understand? So to get started in affiliate marketing, you need to follow the easy way and fast track your success. Most people spend time doing things that are not really important, that are not moving the needle in their affiliate marketing business, while others who have the knowledge and have the right blueprints to how this thing works always succeed. So right now, I'll be introducing you to a program which is called the Income Accelerator Program. This is a program that teaches you affiliate marketing from scratch, even as a newbie who has never heard of affiliate marketing in any way. This will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can start making money, 100,000 to 300,000 on a monthly basis if you follow all you will learn inside this program. So now, what is this program majorly about? This program is a program that teaches you what affiliate marketing is, and these are some of the things you'll be learning from this program. The first thing that you'll be learning here is how to start affiliate marketing in Nigeria the right way. As we all know, some people have actually heard of affiliate marketing, but they are not doing it the Nigerian way, because doing affiliate marketing the Nigerian way, or probably the African way, is different from doing it in the Western world, such as doing it in America, Canada, and all of that. That is because these are two different continents and they have the different ways that their internet business works. You understand? So you will learn how to do it the Nigerian way. Number two, you will learn how to familiarize yourself with affiliate platform. There are various affiliate platforms out there. You will learn how to familiarize yourself with the best that will give you the best product to promote out there. Then thirdly, you will learn the product to promote and the audience to promote it too. You understand? Some people make mistakes of picking the wrong product to promote, and it hurts the affiliate marketing business, whereby others are killing sales while they are in sales drought because they choose the wrong product to promote. Also, you'll be having access to step-by-step framework to making massive sales. As you can see, we talked about some people who won cars, some people who won Redmi phones. All of those people, it was because they made a lot of high sales in the affiliate marketing business. That was why they were rewarded. You too will learn how to do this and also win sales challenges such as that. Also, you'll be introduced to the WhatsApp marketing strategy that bring in massive amount of sales. This is like a key thing in affiliate marketing in Nigeria, using WhatsApp marketing to kill sales, and you will be learning the 4 different ways to sell using WhatsApp. So this program is super packed. You'll also be learning how to build an audience on WhatsApp that consistently pay you on a regular basis. You understand? How to build a strong audience on your WhatsApp that will pay you for anything you have to offer. And you'll also be learning how to sell off any product you are selling using WhatsApp status. This is a hack that many people do not know yet. You understand? You'll be learning all of this inside this Income Accelerator program. And also you'll be learning 6 major type of WhatsApp status content you should be using to nurture your audience from today. If you know WhatsApp marketing, you will know that your WhatsApp status is like the key point of everything about your sales. So learning these 6 major points of how to sell using WhatsApp status is very, very important for you. Also, you'll be introduced to the method of how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone effectively and get crazy results. You understand? How to run Facebook ads that consistently generate leads for your business on a wall clock. And all of this is what you'll be learning inside this Income Accelerator program. Now, these are added bonuses just for you. You understand? The secret objection handling formula to get you massive sales without having to beg people. So most people, what they do is that they beg. Probably they post on their WhatsApp status, buy from me. If you don't buy from me, I'm not going to eat food. You understand? You'll be learning the secret objection handling formula to get you massive sales without having to beg, just like those people do. You understand? Extra bonuses that you'll be getting is how to drive traffic and generate leads using organic/free method. So some people, most times when they start a business, they do not have money to run adverts. This extra bonus will be teaching you how to drive crazy traffic using organic free method. So you don't want to miss out on this. Also, you'll be having access to lifetime mentorship, whereby you can ask questions on anything you have, any problem you are facing, and you also be guided through as you do your business so that you can start to succeed just like how others have done as well. And also you'll be having access to a community of affiliate marketers just like you, where you can interact, share your success, and also get tips from what other people are doing to skyrocket your own affiliate marketing business. And also you'll be getting access to a 7-figure weekly training where top coaches in affiliate marketing will be coming to teach strategies, key ways you can actually succeed doing this affiliate marketing business. All of this is what you'll be getting inside the Income Accelerator program, which teaches you how to start affiliate marketing with just 5,000 naira. This is super amazing and mind-blowing. If you have heard of affiliate marketing, you will know that there are a lot of programs out there that teaches you all of this that is inside this program for high prices ranging from 15,000, 20,000 up to around 65,000 naira. But this is here for you, the Income Accelerator program. With just 5,000 naira, you will get access to all I have mentioned in this video training and even more. You understand? Because this program is being updated over time, and you will be succeeding using all you'll be learning from this program. As you can see, a recap on what you'll be learning. You see, you'll be learning affiliate marketing from scratch, everything related to affiliate marketing. You'll be learning Facebook ads with smartphone. You'll be learning WhatsApp marketing. You'll be learning organic traffic method, sales closing, how to handle objections from people who are saying, I will buy tomorrow, I'll buy next tomorrow, and all of this, and as you can see, other bonuses, access to an affiliate marketing platform where you can pick products, thousands of products to promote, and you'll be getting access to the courses and video trainings, free mentorship, and weekly classes. So why don't you want to take action on this? 5,000 naira is what most people spend on data in a week. 5,000 naira is what some people spend on just going out on Sundays to chill with their girlfriend. But meanwhile, within the week, they're out there begging people for urgent 2k. Why not just invest this into your own financial growth and see how your life can change from just taking this action? You understand? 5,000 naira is what you need to skyrocket yourself in this business model. So to sign up for the income accelerator program, all you just have to do is to click on the button below this video, or you can just simply send a DM back on WhatsApp to be directed on how you can register for this program. You understand? So you don't want to miss out. It's just 5,000 naira. As you can see, earlier I told you about lives that has been changed from the affiliate marketing business model. Somebody was able to win a car from affiliate marketing. All he did was to just recommend products to people who are interested. They bought this product and he won a car just for his efforts. Somebody also won a Redmi 10 Pro smartphone. You know the price of this phone. You can check it. You can Google it. Somebody won this phone. All he did was recommend digital product, make money from it, and he was also rewarded for his effort. So all you just have to do is send a DM or WhatsApp, or you just click on the button below this video to sign up for the income affiliator program. So all I have said in this video is just up to you now. If you are really interested in changing your financial status, it is up to you. So see you on the other side of success.